So dear students, now today we are preparing for an experiment on the optical fiber. Now in this experiment we wanted to determine the one is called as an acceptance angle and another is called the numerical aperture. All our equipments are here. This is a graph sheet, we have put it here, and this is our optical fiber is there, and this is a power source is there. Now you can see the red light on this one. This red light is coming from the optical fiber, and you can see we can make the changes here. The distance can be changed depending upon that one. The size goes on changing. The size of the graph also changes now. Okay, variation takes place depending upon the distance now. Mainly we are taking 4 distances here, and these 4 distances corresponding the size of this one. This size can be taken now. This is for the horizontal and this is for the vertical one now. And this is a very simple experiment is there. For this, the tabulations is like this now. You can see the tabulation here. The first is a trial are there now. Trial number 1, 2, 3. Second column is the length now. The length is as I showed you that varying distances can be taken. Then when this horizontal distance and vertical distance, then mean diameter is there. Then d by 12, then theta is equal to and numerical aperture. Now these are the calculations you are doing here. Now for this, the whatever graph paper we use it now, on the graph paper you can find that we are doing such spots now, that to find the horizontal and vertical distances, and we are measuring now. Now these distances can be measured. As shown here, the length is there. And the length between the our screen and the optical fiber is taken in the 5 values. First 2 centimeter, then 4 centimeter, 6, 10, and like this. And the corresponding values are there now. That means here what happens now? This is 1 is there, 1.2. Add these two, divide by 2. Then this is divide by 2L. This your length is there. Then corresponding calculations you have to do now. Finally, you take the mean of that one now. The mean of that one is available now. The formula used for that one is calculation of acceptance angle and numerical aperture is like this. This is the values we are obtaining here. Now, these values are taken from the 2 centimeter, 4, 6 like this, and you calculate both. Theta is equal to tan inverse of d upon 2l, and numerical aperture is equal to sin theta naught now. Now these are the values that are required for this one now. This is one of the simple experiment is there to find these two values now. Now this is all about the experiment, we say numerical aperture.